What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only going to be using one account. Most people that have My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts because it works really well. But we only using one account to show you guys, to give you guys some trust and show you guys that this does get sales, and it's the laziest, easiest way to get sales on the internet right now. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, let me speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular. Because it's affiliate system, it's 80% recurring income, guys. 80% recurring income is absolutely insane. You get paid every single month. That's beautiful, you know what I mean? So each sale is so much more valuable with this system. Alright guys, so you get a couple of sales and you're already in a huge profit. That's the reason why I like this product. But anyway guys, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna refresh the page, show you guys my real results here. I don't hide results here guys, I show my real ones. Okay, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. I'm not gonna worry about it that much. So what we're gonna do guys, we're gonna go to, if you're on my video, first we're gonna get you these links here. You need the links to promote this product first. So the way to do that, you're gonna see on my video here, very simple process. Just go down on my video, you go to my description here, you're gonna see step 1, step 2. So step 1 is what we're gonna click on first. We click on that, it's gonna take you to this page. Basically what this page is, it explains how much money you can make with $25 biz and all that good stuff. It just tell you basically what I just told you a second ago. So anyway, you wanna log in. Yes, I want in, right? You just put in all your information here. Make your account, put your information here, get the product, $25. All right guys, $25. And I also recommend getting this as well, because you have to own the product to get commissions from it. This is where I get my $100 commissions from. All right guys, it's $125. I get $100 commissions from this every once in a while. So if you want to maximize the amount of money you can make, always get this as well. All right, so all there is to that. So once you get that, put in your information, all that good stuff, you're gonna get to a page or something like this. All right, first you're gonna set up your page. You're gonna set up your account and all that. I can't go through that because I already got the system, but you're gonna eventually get to a page like this where you have to put in your information you already put in here. Log into the system. Once you log in, you're gonna get to a page look something like this. It might not look exactly like this, but it looks something like this. And what you want to do, you want to click on the affiliate zone, guys. You click on the affiliate zone up here, scroll down, log into SoundCard. No, not log into SoundCard. You need to sign up for your affiliate program here first. So we're gonna do this first, and as you can see, it's very simple information, very quickly. You put that in, and once you do that, you log into SoundCard. Once you log into SoundCard, you're gonna take you to a page look something like this. All right guys, and once you do that, you have all your links. Now this is the link that I use. Get sales off of this link. This is the one that's been working for me. Now you can promote whatever you want, but that's the one that's been working for me. All right guys, so once I do that, what you want to do, I'm gonna do next. Once I got my link, right, we need to promote it. We need somewhere to promote it. So that's when you join My Lead Gen Secrets and you click on this link here. It's gonna take you to this page, and what My Lead Gen Secrets technically is that you get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day, so to speak. So for example, if you were to get an email, you were to log in, make your account now, you'll get 100 leads that you can email. And tomorrow, you'll get another 100 leads, but you could email 200 leads since you don't collect the 200 leads, guys. So it slowly builds up over time, and so on and so forth, and you start getting sales and sales and sales. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we're gonna go and log in here. Boom, my leads. You can check your leads out. You can get swipes if you want to. I'll show you my swipes though. So anyway, we're gonna go to master system right here. We're gonna click on select all here. All right, guys, and then we're gonna go to we're gonna select the email that we want to send here. Let's go send this one. Billing my money. You can just pause and copy the. You can pause and copy my email if you wish. I give you a chance to copy the whole thing here. That's it. That's it. That's the whole email. Anyway, you just put in your link right here, guys. Sincerely, whatever your name is or whatever. And you click on perfect timing. They'll send an email around the time people check emails. All right, guys. So it's a better chance of them opening it. Make sure to preview and make sure your link works, guys. And then send an email, and you are done. That's all it takes. Very easy, very quick, very substantial, and very something you can do every morning. All right, you knock this out every morning. You can make a lot of extra money for yourself. You know what I mean? So that's fantastic. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell. Only 20% of you guys are subscribed. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.